How to fix Google Chrome high memory usage. So if you want to fix the Google Chrome high memory usage, then first you need to open up your Google Chrome PC or your laptop. And once you open up your Google Chrome, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that three dots, go with settings. Once you're under the settings, you need to go with the performance option. Under performance, now here you will have memory saver, right? So you just need to simply go with the memory saver and toggle it on. Once you toggle this on, then your problem might be fixed. This will save a lot of memory on your device. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then go with a new tab, and here you just need to simply go with the extensions. So go with the upper right, which has that three dots again, and go with extensions and go with manage extensions. And here you will have all of your extensions, right? So if you have unnecessary extensions, then you just need to simply go and remove the extension. Click on remove and that will be removed. So just remove the unnecessary extensions, and after removing, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then go with the next step. Go with the upper right again and then go with the settings. Under settings, you need to go with delete browsing data, and here it will take you to delete browsing data. So you just need to simply go with all time or last hour or last 24 hours. So I'll be choosing last hour, and then you need to go with delete data, and once you've deleted your data, your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Google Chrome high memory usage problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.